Ayan guys, ang ating ulam for today. Ayan, ginataang gulay. Ayan, kalabasa, sitaw, okra, talong, ampalaya, dahon ng malunggay. Ang sahog po niyan ay dilis at yung niebe. Ayan guys, so creamy ang kanyang gata. Ayan, sarap. Ayan. Ayan, sarap ng ating ulam for today. Ayan. Ayan po ang ating lunch ulam. Ayan guys, mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng solid viewers ng ating channel, Blinker Eye. Ayan. And thanks for always supporting my video uploads. Ayan. Ayan. Sa muli, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Blinker Eye. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day. Happy Sunday.